Hi, I'm Andrea Bergoa, Labs Marketing Manager at Macmillan Learning.
And I'm Lori Stover, the Program Manager for Physics at Macmillan Learning.
Let's get started.
The iLab device is a device for physics labs, and it contains all the sensors that you need to take data for your first and second semester of physics. It has a whole bunch of sensors, including a magnetometer, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a microphone, a light sensor, a fourth sensor in the bottom so that you can screw in different pieces, which we provide for you in this bag, and then measure the force either pulling out or going into the device. It has wheels and records the position, velocity, and acceleration of this wheel. So you can just screw it into the force sensor on the iLab, and then you can collide the iLab into things. It also has a variety of digital and analog inputs and outputs on the device so that you can do all of your second semester circuits labs and everything that you need.
Sounds like it has a lot of functions and it can measure a lot of different things.
Yeah, absolutely. It is all very powerful in one tiny device. So to connect the device to your computer, you're actually going to pop out this USB port from the back of the iLab device and just stick it into your computer, and then it transmits wirelessly. So you don't need to worry about being attached to a cable or anything. So you can just, throw it up in the air, you can hand it to someone else and let them take it, and you don't have to get tangled up in any wires.
It's really cool. And so they will collect the data on this device, it will transmit to their computer, and then what will they do with the data once it's on their computer?
Yeah, so on their computer they can look at the data through the software, they can export it into Excel, they can also upload it into the cloud to share with their instructors so that they can turn it in as part of a lab report and do some really basic data analysis with it.
So it's like a whole physics lab in a device smaller than a cell phone.
It is, yeah.